Hi, this is Linda Yo. I'm a nutritionist and the author of Asian Slim Secrets. Are you tired of dieting? Are you tired of losing weight only to gain it back again? When I moved from Asia to the United States, I gained 25 pounds in 3 months. I came in the fall. By Christmas, I was already chubby. For 2 years, I struggled with my weight. I tried diet tea, diet pills, slim fast, fat reducing cream, and I read more than 10 diet books, and nothing works. Until I remember that when I was in Asia, I never had any weight problem. So I started to combine Asian food with American food, and I lost the weight easily. With this method, you don't need to starve or deprive yourself of your favorite foods. You can even eat fried chicken and stay slim. Just in case you wonder, there are almost 1,200 Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurants in Japan and 4,800 units in China. Asians love KFC. But my point is this. I will show you how to balance your intake so you don't overeat fatty food. You will learn how to control your appetite and not being controlled by your appetite. As for my credential, I have a master's degree in nutrition from San Diego State University, and I have lived in Asia, Australia, and the United States. Because of that, I'm able to combine Western science with the Eastern wisdom of eating, which lead to the easiest way to lose weight and stay slim for life. Listen to these testimonials.
This is Ken Blanchard, co-author of The 1 Minute Manager, Raving Fans, Gun-Ho, Whale Done, you name it. I lost 9.6 pounds from December 12th to January 10th. People couldn't believe it. They said nobody loses that kind of weight over the Christmas and New Year's holiday. Yes, you do if you follow Linda Yo's weight loss method. I enjoyed food, stayed full, and yet I lost weight. I could not recommend her enough.